Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee slip, trip, or fall accident compensation claims. I'll be answering the question, can you claim compensation for a fall? If you can claim, how you can begin the process of claiming, as well as going over slip and fall compensation amounts. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Whether you'd like to make a claim for slipping on wet floor or you're seeking pavement trip compensation, it's important that you bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation as long as the accident was down to the negligence of others. So, how do you begin the process of claiming for a slip, trip, or fall accident? Well, we highly recommend that you reach out to a no-win, no-fee solicitors that has experience in dealing with personal injury, slip, trip, and fall claims. The good news for you is that we're happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation. We will talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our fall compensation calculator in order to give you a good idea of just how much you may be entitled to in total, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will only be for your injuries, which means that your final claim amount may be significantly larger. Following this consultation, we will talk through your slip or fall accident with you. If we believe that we're able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees, and most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, if you're wondering what the average payout for slip and fall in the UK is, I'm now going to take a look at our slip, trip, or fall, no-win, no-fee personal injury claim amounts table.
Now here we have the table for slip, trip and falls. Okay, for a shoulder injury of the minor severity, we're looking at anything from £1,950 right the way up to £6,290. For a moderate shoulder injury from a slip, trip and fall, it could be anything from £6,290 right the way up to £10,180. For a severe shoulder injury, you could expect to receive anything from £15,300 right the way up to £38,280. Then for a minor back injury, we're looking at anything from £1,950 right the way up to £9,970. For a moderate back injury, it could be £9,970 all the way up to £30,910. For a severe back injury, it could be anything from £30,910 right the way up to £128,320. For a severe elbow injury, you're looking at anything from £31,220 right the way up to £43,710. For a less severe elbow injury, it could be anything from £12,480 all the way up to £25,510. Then for a moderate elbow injury, it could be anything up to £10,040. Then finally onto knee injuries. For a severe knee injury, you could expect to receive anything from £20,880 right the way up to £76,690. For a less severe knee injury, you could expect to receive anything from £11,820 right the way up to £20,880. Then finally, for a moderate knee injury, you could expect to receive anything up to £10,960.
I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.